Best monthly routines for septic solid control. Proper septic maintenance is essential for keeping your system running efficiently for years. Without regular care, solid waste can build up inside the tank, leading to odors, slow drains, backups, and expensive repairs. Following the best monthly routines for septic solid control can help reduce sludge buildup and protect your drain field from damage. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 9 simple monthly routines every homeowner should follow. 1. Monitor water usage. Using too much water at once can stir up solids inside the septic tank. Spread laundry loads throughout the week and repair leaking faucets or toilets quickly. 2. Use monthly septic treatments. Add a septic-safe bacterial treatment every month to help break down waste naturally. Avoid harsh chemicals that may kill helpful bacteria inside the tank. 3. Check for slow drains. Slow sinks, tubs, or toilets may signal septic problems. Watch for gurgling sounds, standing water, or unpleasant odors around drains. 4. Avoid grease and food waste. Grease, oils, coffee grounds, and food scraps can increase sludge buildup. Throw these materials in the trash instead of washing them down the sink. 5. Inspect the drain field. Walk around your drain field monthly and look for wet spots, strong smells, or overly green grass. These signs may indicate excess solids or drainage issues. 6. Limit chemical use. Too much bleach, drain cleaner, or antibacterial soap can harm the bacteria your septic tank needs to function properly. Use septic-safe cleaning products whenever possible. 7. Check outdoor drainage. Rainwater should flow away from the septic area. Make sure gutters, downspouts, and sprinklers are not sending excess water toward the drain field. 8. Keep maintenance records. Track pumping dates, treatments, inspections, and any septic issues. Good records help identify problems early and improve long-term maintenance. 9. Schedule professional inspections. Even with good monthly care, professional inspections are important. A septic expert can check sludge levels, baffles, and overall system condition before major problems develop. Following the best monthly routines for septic solid control helps homeowners prevent costly septic failures and maintain a healthy system. Small monthly habits like reducing grease, monitoring water use, and checking the drain field can make a significant difference. Consistent maintenance keeps your septic tank working smoothly and extends its lifespan for many years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.